Hi and hello guys, I'm Katie. Today we are going to see my dev journey on game twice. This idea is new to me because once upon a time when I was working on my first game project, I heard some news about Brackeys Game Jam 2020.2. I joined the jam. By the way, this is my first ever jam I participated. This is the week-long jam. At the time I see the theme, it's not yet announced. I have to wait for the time to see the theme. At August 1st, 5 p.m. I see the theme. Then I got shocked because the theme is Rewind. Because of my little knowledge of game development, I get struggle on the theme. At the time, I don't get any idea on the theme because I am not a full-time developer. I have some other works to do. Each day I have to leave my home at 9 a.m. and return in between 6 to 8 p.m. So I got roughly 13 to 15 hours to make the game. Yeah, but I don't think the idea is good. So I decided to leave the jam. But if I can't, who can?
Oh my god!
So I decided to write the thing, whatever the word related to rewind. First thing in my mind is time. So I wrote it and some other words related to it. After some time, I got a basic idea about rewind theme. So I decided to join the jam again. My idea is the player has to get the portal, which transport him from his land to here. But one important thing is the portal is reversed. To reverse the portal, he has to reverse the time. For that, he has to catch the lotion, which has the special power of reversing the time. The work is going nice. In day 1, I have created the fully functional game which has player movement, enemy AI and that's it. Yes, really the full functional game. Now the time is to create some graphics to make my game looks good. So I opened Sprite, which is a pixel image editing software. I'm new for that too. For that I'm using my friend's laptop. I asked him to give me a laptop for a week to design some. I'm not a designer, so it's took long time to create some cool looking player, enemy and platform with animations. Yeah, at least myself. Now it's 4th day. Yes, takes long day to complete this because of my improper timing schedule and also I spend 3 to 4 hours a day for jam. Now it's time to create some cool music for my game. Yeah, you guys want to know that I'm not a musician too. Then
wait a minute. Who are you?
I don't know, whatever it is. Let us get to my point. I'm using Besacoil. I don't know what the name is. I give the app name on the screen. Music app to create my game music. If you guys want to hear my awesome music, I upload it into Patreon page. Go and check it out. If you already heard that, don't scold me. I already told that I'm not a music artist. After that, I test my music knowledge with my cousin. After some time, he come with a bloody ear. I got shocked. What happened to you? He said, because of your music. If it is in your case, I apologize for that. Now the time to take a break. Good night. See you tomorrow. Hi guys. Now 5th day. Time is 10 a.m. I woke up now because I take a leave for one day for my job. Full day I'm going to spend time for jam. Because I noticed one thing. I have to go back to see how many submissions for this jam. Where is my theme? I forgot about theme. Okay, don't laugh. At day 1, I searched something on internet for how to rewind in Unity. At the time, I got the asset called Chronos, which is free to all. The link is also given below. Go and check it out. Now the time is to implement the rewind system on the game. This asset helped me to implement rewind theme on my game.
6.5 hours later.
In a second, my game got theme. Voila! According to rewind process, it has to store the data during the normal time. If you store data for the long time, for multiple objects, our system got loads with tons of trashes, which will affect the system performance. So I decided to limit the rewind time and create some UI, which will indicate how long the process got saved. In that time, he can able to reach the portal or not. If the player does not reach in time, he got killed. I added coins in the scene to collect and UI to indicate how many coins the player has. Woohoo! I have the cool looking game, but wait, it's look like a plain game. So I think about getting some cool idea for the game to make more interesting. The game without complete, without twisting things going on. So I implement the logic. Player can able to collect the coin in the path during the normal time. If he catches the rewind lotion, if he cross the place where the coin is, the points also get rewinded, then he lose the coins. That means he going to lose the coins. Now it's more interesting. This day got over. Today is is the 6th day at 8:30 p.m. because the work gets long time than usual to be finished. This day I work for the game without even taking dinner. Now the time is 2:45 a.m. Time drained for the little bug fixing and stage designing. Really a little bug. Created more stages for the jam. Without exporting it, I go to bed. It's the last day. It only have 6 hours and 30 minutes to submit my game. I got happy than usual because this is my first ever game jam. Also finished the game in the export stage. Yes, it is. Now I got late to work. I make a plan that during lunchtime, get to home and export it, then submit it to the site. Now the time is 1 p.m. Now I got bad news. No one go home till the owner come to the workplace. I got a little shock because there is still 2 hours and 30 minutes more to submit my game. And time is melt like ice. But the owner still not come. I think the world opposing me. No one likes me. No one for me. I scold myself for leave without exporting it. Now the voice touches my ear. Go to home, take a lunch, and come fast to the site. I see the time, 2:59 p.m. I don't forget this time ever. At the time I am the happiest person on the earth. I ran like a child who to see the mom, and I realized the place is quite away from my home.
Stop it. Get some help.
So I got a lift from others. Now the time is 3:06 p.m. I opened the laptop. It took nearly 10 minutes to completely open Unity. Time is 3:16 p.m. I export the game for Windows. In background, I opened each jam page and edit the detail it wants for the app to upload. It takes 7 more minutes to export the project. Now 7 minutes more to upload my game. Then click upload. Directing towards the folder, but I don't know which file I have to upload. How to export the game to each? I tried many ways to upload it, but nothing works. Quickly search for the help. I found I have to zip the file before upload. After quick zip, the jam get finished.
Seriously, what the are you doing?
The world is opposing. No one likes me. No one for me.
Another one.
But I think my idea is cool. If you think it is, then tell me in the comments. So I decide to stick with my idea and keep improving my game, which is my current game project. That's like my journey begins with this game. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If it is, like the video, consider subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get immediate notification when we upload the new video. Thanks for seeing this and see you in another video.